Well, here we are with Millie and her babies. And Millie looks like she'd like to come out, huh? She just went in to feed them. Her sweet babies they're 6 weeks right now, but they will be 7 weeks this Friday. But this is only Monday, so they're basically 6 weeks still. And adorable little puppies. They're really starting to get some personality now. I think I'll open the door and see if Millie wants to come out. I just want you to see Millie real quick. Oh, they're like, no, Mom, no, don't go. Did you want to come out, Millie? You want to come out? Do you want to come out? Come on. Come on. Maybe not. Maybe not. So we've got two little white puppies in here. One's a boy, one's a girl. So the bigger one, which is the one on the left, is Parrish. He's the little boy. And then we've got the little girl on the right. And then our little tricolor's a boy, and that's Percival. So maybe if I take her out, they'll play. Yes, come here. Come here, my love. Come here. Yeah, now we're getting a little more action out of them, huh? Let's see if I lower this, if you'll get a better view of them. There we go. There. That's better, huh? So that's Percival on the food dish there. And there we go. Just had to send that to voicemail. So there's little Percival, and then on the left is Parrish, and on the right, Portia. I keep wanting to call her Phoebe, and I just tell myself, no, it's Portia like the car. The P year's over, and our first, we've skipped Q, because that's kind of got a lot of weird names and not very many of them. So we skipped the letter Q, which is sort of the French tradition too, to skip that letter. And we are moving on to R, and our first R litter was born to Tim and Carrie at church Wednesday night, right before church started. I went in early to help, and their dog was going to have none of it, and she did not want me involved. So I just was there in case anything went wrong, which it didn't. So they've got two beautiful little girls and two little boys, and those will be our first puppies of the R year. But these little guys were from the P year, so they have P names. And of course, when people purchase them, they're welcome to name them whatever they want. We just do that for the fun of it, and it just makes identifying puppies easier when people see a puppy they like, to be able to use the name that we've assigned. You can see that back in the back of the kennel, we have a potty park, which is a grass pad in a plastic tray, and they go back there to go potty. They're doing very, very well with that. And they're kind of in a playful mood right now, it looks like. So, let's see, I can't get any closer. They're way back there. There we go. There's Percival sitting there looking at us. Puppy, puppy, puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! We do this when it's feeding time, and it works really well to get their attention and get them to come. They came a little too close. Here we you go. Oh, look, she's going potty back there, see? She just went pee-pee on the pad, which is excellent. It's what we want. It sure makes life easier here for us when they go potty on the potty park. Oh, they're seeing Hannah. They probably think it's their mom. This is Hannah. She's always by my side. Wherever I am, that's where Hannah is. She's my heart dog. Okay, Portia. All done? All done, baby? Huh? All done? I'll be taking these little sweethearts to the vet this week for their first health check. So that's always fun. Percival's got Portia pinned down. Puppies! Puppy puppies! Puppy puppies! Puppy puppies! There you go! Oh, she's gonna go back. She's gonna go potty again? No, she's just gonna play back there. Hey, Bearish. There she is. Alright, so these are our beautiful little puppies from Millie, 6 weeks old.